Hi, I'm Shawn Leclaire with eXp Realty. Welcome to 1257 Carfa Crescent in northwest end of Kingston in Cataraqui Woods. This brand new executive quality home is sure to impress the most discerning buyer. Listed at $1.379 million, the property features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an expansive walkout basement bordering onto a green space backing onto Catwoods Drive. Backing onto a green space bordered by trees, this property is sure to provide privacy for years to come. This expansive walkout basement is roughed in for plumbing, fully electrical and insulated, would be a great additional living space or in-law suite.